Hello Model A'ers and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get your Model A wheels and spokes nice and clean. I hope you enjoy the video. So if any of you drive your cars, you know that one of the most annoying things to clean on a Model A are these steel spokes. And even after a little bit of driving, you can see all that dirt on there. Especially like if the road's wet, you can see there's all that dirt from puddles. But I have a really easy, painless way to get these nice and shiny. So let me show you how to do that. So what you're going to need is 2 microfiber cloths and this waterless car wash. You can really use any waterless car wash, but this is the one that, this is what I use to clean any spots on the Model A, on the paint. But yeah, just whatever you can find. So the first thing that you're going to do is take your rag, spray some on there. And then once you have some on your rag, you're going to spray the wheel like that. You can see it's already starting to dissolve all that road dirt. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your rag, you're going to wipe. Just wipe up the liquid. You don't really need a scrub unless there's some like really caked on dirt. Just get in between there. And this is like, I've tried other ways of cleaning the spokes, but this probably seems to be the easiest way because with the rag you can just get around here, get in the places with no effort really. And it takes maybe a few minutes at most to do one wheel. So what I like to do once I've cleaned it up mostly, I'll take the other rag that is clean and dry, and I'll just go around to get any other excess dirt and smudges that the other one may have left behind. But yeah, it's a really simple, easy way. Again, I'll put an Amazon affiliate link to this in the description. And let's get the other wheels done. Okay, we're on the last one. It seems like the front wheels are not nearly as dirty as the back ones were. Yeah, probably because I think it's from I went up to that Middle Creek Wildlife Preserve. There's still some snow puddles in that park. So that's probably what it's from, but I don't really care that much. It's just that I like everything clean. I think it's probably due for an undercarriage cleaning as well. I don't remember the last time I did that. But the next video will probably be me changing the oil pan gasket finally. I've been wanting to do that all winter. Just never got around to it. So we'll hope that that'll happen next week. Yeah, so that last trip to the wildlife preserve was the longest trip so far I've ever taken. That was 118 miles round trip, and the Model A did great. So yeah, I mean, I really encourage you, if you don't, take them on longer trips. I mean, you'll never know that it can do it unless you do it. I mean, sure, when I first got my Model A, I was very cautious. I didn't want to break down, and I broke down once at the wedding last year. It was a bad condenser. And then I thought on the way here, yeah, one of the first videos I made was when I brought the Model A home and it ran out of gas. But yeah, I mean, I feel like it's getting close to the point where I feel comfortable driving it pretty much anywhere, and I'm glad because I'm really enjoying it. I think it's probably one of the best things I've ever bought, just because it's so fun. All the people that I've met through the clubs, and just enjoying the fellowship of other Model A owners going on tours. They're just really fun cars, and I don't know that exists with other car models. I think the Model A is unique in that aspect. Okay, this wheel is done. Now, if you noticed the past two wheels, I'm going to just do some tire shine to make it look good. And there you have it. Nice, clean Model A spokes. No dirt. Took very little effort. And it's just a good thing to keep your car nice and clean. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for some more videos with Helen. And thank you for watching.